I treat degenerative hip and knee conditions. I do specialize in minimally invasive direct anterior hip replacement, as well as use of robotic surgery. I'm very passionate about the patients I care for. Every patient comes into my office with specific complaints, whether it's joint pain that is preventing them from playing a round of golf, or stiffness that prevents them from climbing a flight of stairs. I want to prioritize understanding each patient's unique challenges so that I can provide them personalized care that will allow them to reach their treatment goals. By restoring the normal structure to a joint, we can relieve pain and improve mobility. Of all surgeries, hip and knee replacement surgery has some of the highest patient satisfaction scores. The tangible results of this are fascinating to me, and it continues to inspire me to improve and advance this field.